Happy 18th birthday, Malay. I'll just keep this message short lang para di ka mo hilang ba kay. Sayang ang kagwapa ron! So, as you step into adulthood, my deepest wish for you is always be true to yourself and then don't be afraid to face the challenges nga imo ma-encounter during adulthood na baya ka. And then I know you have the strength to overcome these mga challenges nimo, mga fears nimo, and then don't afraid to take the risk, ha? And then I also wish for you and your family to have a good health and a happy year. And then I hope that every choice you make makes you happy, genuine happiness nimo. And always remember that I'm here for you. If you have a friend to lean on, naara jud ko permit you. One call away ra jud ko day. And then need na jud ta mag-hangout to na. If di na may ta busy kay mag-vlog, sa pa nagsaday ha. Ganun na ha. Dugay-dugay na sa bitaw kita. Pila na oras. So happy birthday, happy birthday again. Tete ko, mata